So welcome back, Du-Opssss, and today I'm going to bring to you one of my favorite past activities. One of my favorite past fun activities. You get what I'm saying? Alright, so if you know me, I used to do this all through middle school, the end of elementary, and the beginning of high school. And that is roller skates. I really needed an activity to get me out of the house. I love roller skating. I love music. I just love doing anything. So I'm very carefree, free birdish. So that's what it is. So I really just wanted to do an unboxing video, and because this is my first time, I already knew exactly what I wanted, what I needed, and what I wanted to get. So I'm going to actually put together my skates because I don't do basics. I don't do stock wheels, stock bearings. Only thing I do stock is basically this plate and this boot. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it started. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't been skating in literally 7 years. Oh my god. Alright, so here we have Roberts. Alright. So, ouch, I just hurt my wrist. So what we're going to do first, we are going to, I might as well change the shoelaces. I'm not keeping these in. So yeah, I can go ahead and take these bad boys out. Black on black is just so basic. Have some fun with it, add a pop of color. But yeah, I used to go skating at Roller Dome in Richmond all the time. I went a few times to some, I can't remember the name of the rink. I think it was out in Chester-ish. But yeah, I used to love it. I'm pretty sure I still can if I really put my mind to it. I used to backward skate, side skate. I used to participate in races. I used to love it. But now, I started marching band in high school, and I kind of ran out of time to actually do it. Cause I used to go on almost every Friday, every Saturday, and Sunday. Look, that all skate on Sunday was lit. They used to play all the old school jams. But yeah, I loved it. Alright, so we got those bad boys out. So now we need the tool set. We're going to take off the wheels and change out the bearings. So, monkey wrench. And I never know what size of these to use. I want to say, let's guess half. Oh, I was right. I'm usually always wrong. Go figure. Wait. Oh wait, I gotta put the attachment on the attachment. Come on. Oh wait. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay. Dang, they really put these bad boys on here tight. Alright. Got one wheel off. And honestly, we don't even need... Oh, Jesus Christ. I have more stability with my left. Maybe because I'm sitting down. But now I ain't weak, so don't nobody try me. Weak where? Yeah, bye-bye. No, honestly. But... So, go ahead and get these bad boys off. Like, the plastic, and they have no traction. Everything is standard. Even all the way to the roll. It doesn't even roll. You're going to see the difference. Watch. And then everyone who was questioning me will understand why I don't. Because all my friends, like, in the past few years, I've had a few friends ask to go skating, but I don't do rentals. Like, I'm sorry. I'm just that bougie. In terms of, I guess, skating or whatever the case. But I'm not doing rentals. No ma'am. Okay, put it over there. 3 more. But this should help me with working out. Well, not really working out because I don't really work out, but more in sense of like giving me an activity I actually enjoy doing while also staying. I don't want to scratch my table. Well, also, come on. Why is it so harder than last time? But yeah, because I don't like working out. I don't like going to the gym. I don't like running. But when you put on some music, give me some skates. Come on, that floor is sweating. Okay. Alright, last one. Alrighty. So, we got all 8 of these bad boys off. So, I need to get this off too. I'm guessing, is that where I wrench it? I think. Okay, maybe not. Pliers. Okay, and that was it. Come on, pliers. We don't do toe stops. I'm a little, again, not advanced for that, but I wore a toe stop on my skates since, ouch. Since, ouch. And I just hurt myself. Okay, so I got that one off. Ow, I really hurt my wrist. Okay. Please don't give me no difficulty. I already hurt myself. Don't need any more pain. Come on. I'm getting annoyed. I literally had the other one just like this. Jesus. Now, we're back. Hurt my goddamn hand getting all that stuff out. Ow. I have a bruise on my hand now. You know what? Over. Yeah, so we're gonna start. So I have a bearing tool. Basically, you would just hit the button, pull the balls on the side of the pin, and push in, let go. Yeah, this spacer is in the way, but besides the point. These are the wheels I got. Twister, short grip. But already that was what I hope this wasn't anything, I just ripped it. So, these wheels, and these are the bearings I got. Bones. Roller bones. Or whatever the case you want to. They're bones, roller bones bearings. I want to say that's like that's the brand, but you get what I'm saying. I really need something small to cut this. Oh my god. I don't know, I have like a pen or something here. So, we have the bearings, And now you put one in this side. I don't know why I didn't just. One. What the? This is becoming a lot of work because I'm just very confused on what. These are so hard to get daggone get in. And do I need spacers? Because if so, that's not gonna work. Now, my thing is, are these bearings supposed to flush? Because if so, I'm just, and I don't want to like bang it in there, because what the hell? Actually, I am gonna make it in there because they all just went in. I don't think I need spacers. Probably not the most. What's the word? It's probably going to be kind of harder on the bearing, if you know. That's why I didn't really want to hit them. I wanted to more, you know, just like slide them in. But as you can see, that's not working. So this is my only option. And Mike's gonna be pissed from hearing this. But these are now alright, those are in. So, bearings are in. Now you literally take it, slide it on. Lug nut, or not lug nut, whatever you want to call that thing. I know I don't do handiwork like that. These are hot. Because, baby, Wait till I'm on that floor. I have not. Oh my god. I'm like having a located adrenaline rush just by doing this, like holding them in my hand. It's been that long. Come on, stop playing with me. He's trying to give me a hard time. Oh, I was like, why does skate look like that? Look. I was like, what the hell is that? I'm so weak. Alright. Those 2 more. 1 more. Ooh. Yeah, these are hot. And then all you do is take the, where's the tool again? Take the tool, other way, tighten it. Slightly tedious, but very rewarding. You'll see why I went through all that. Okay. So, okay. May I tighten a little too? The wheel can't even spin. But this is why. So if you saw what the first ones looked like, how they were, then you would have seen how, what's the word? How how more free the wheel actually spins and how longer it spins. The other ones didn't even move. I spun it and it barely even turned 180. So now that the wheels are done, we're going in shoelaces. Yellow and black, keep it basic. I didn't want to do a bright yellow and I didn't want to do red. So mix the colors up, try to blend in with the boot a little more. And you literally put these in like you put in shoestrings. Nothing to it. Make sure you line them up though, because this ain't like a shoe where you can just keep it pushing. Your end's not going to end up the same, and your lace is going to end up either hanging off, which can get caught up in your skate, which can result in a fall, or it's just going to be so uneven that it's barely going to be tieable. And I feel like I probably should have got some longer ones. But hold on, well, if I can make it to the second rung, we might be good. Alrighty, that's done. Pour this out one. Fix this. Oh shoot, I was supposed to go first at this one. I'm not gonna go under. Alrighty, and there you have. Oh wait, actually, I'm forgetting something. Yep, the plugs for when I took out the stops. And the yellow, literally, you just screw these bad boys in. Always keep your laces. You'll never need to throw those ones away. You also need to throw away the wheels either, because like you never know. You might want to go practice outside, and you don't got no outside wheels, but you got those tray stock ones that you can use. Slightly tedious to change wheels, you know, blah, blah, blah. But if you get the right wheel, right bearing, you'll be a grand thing. So, now that's done. I have one more item, and that's my bag. I'm so corny. But what's a skater without items? I mean, a bag to bring your skates in. Right? And then if I want to travel to a skate party, literally one-stop shop right here. I can put a few clothes in here, a few towels. Hey, look, literally, one going. The second one goes in. Jesus. We don't want to get caught on everything. Get your little bearing tool. Take your little tag off. Yeah. Ah. Oh, I was like, I know my zipper one broke already. Wait. But that's literally all to it. So, but that's all. I can't wait to start skating again. I'm more likely to be in Chesapeake, Virginia Beach, Richmond with it. I might go, if I go out of town, I might just bring them with me just in case. But yeah, so like, comment, brain fart. Like, comment, share. Tell me what more you'd like to see. I have one more unboxing video to do. I wish Amazon would stop playing with me. So that will be coming shortly. But thank you guys for watching. Share, tag friends, and I'll be seeing you again.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.